Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change home screen style in your phone Moto G04. First of all, go to the home screen and if you swipe up, all apps will be opened. This is default settings. If you want to change to other settings, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to the settings of your phone, go to settings, then go to home and lock screen, and here click on home settings and click on home screen style, and here select second option open, so that if you swipe up, all apps will not be open, only recently opened apps will be showing here. Okay, so all apps are on the home screen itself. Okay, if you were to swipe on this side, okay, like this, so in this way we can easily change home screen layout. If you want to bring back the previous default one, again go to the settings of our phone here, then you have to choose app tray. Okay, so now see here, all apps are opened with one swipe up. In this way you can easily change home screen style in your phone Moto G04. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.